Empress Home reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out one of their products. So I was looking and looking on their website, and they had so many beautiful things to choose from, you guys. I mean, it's all Egyptian cotton, 100% Egyptian cotton. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is like so perfect for my room right now since I'm going with the Marilyn Monroe theme. So I kind of went with something a little bit basic and simple for my taste, just because I'm trying to keep things kind of neutral. But here's their website. I mean, they literally have tons and tons of things to choose from. So anyway, I decided to go with this one. Mine came with four different pillowcases, and it came with a sheet set and also the duvet cover. And I was so excited about this duvet because I have a beautiful comforter, and I also have a Georgie. And but this one had a zipper on it, so I was really excited about that to give that a try. So I'm going to go ahead and go put this in the wash machine, and I'm just going to put it on cold for a little while, and then I'm going to fluff dry it. This is a comforter that I'm trying to preserve. I got this from Macy's last year. So here I am trying to bunch it all up into that duvet. Ooh, that's a chore. So after getting it all, wrestling around with it for a while, I decided it was time to get some of those wrinkles out. It wasn't all that bad after I pulled it out of the dryer, but I figured I'll just take my my steamer and just go ahead and get some of those little wrinkles out. If you don't have a steamer, you can use an iron. I don't have an iron, so I used my steamer, and it worked perfectly. It got the wrinkles out of it, no problem. It just kind of gives it more of a polished look, so it just kind of finishes all off. Okay, bed's all made, and I cannot wait to go jump in it. Oh my gosh, look at there, you guys. Doesn't that even, I mean, it even looks like a nice little hotel room or something like that. It's so pretty. Look at that piping down there. I think it is just absolutely stunning. It really adds to the effect of everything. It like kind of balances everything all out and brings it all together. I'm just so impressed with this. I'm ready to go check out my new bedding, and oh my goodness, check it out. It's so soft, and it, do you see the sheen on there? I mean, it is just amazing to me. Let me check my head. Check this. I might have to go to sleep. I don't know. But can you believe that this is the same room? Like, I mean, it's the same layout and everything like that, but with the headboard being different and it just looks so dramatically different to me. So I'm really, really stoked how it looks now. And it's all because of Marilyn Monroe. So anyway, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. And you guys have to go check out Emperor's Home. Telling you, you will not be disappointed with the quality of their material. I mean, their material is just amazing. It's so soft, and it's like it has a beautiful sheen, and it's like you can put it in the wash machine and everything. Telling you, Emperor's Home is the place to shop.